Hello, welcome to the GoMobile Innovations tutorial screencast. I'm Bon Lahudi, founder of GoMobile Innovations. I'm going to be giving you a quick tour of our most recent version of the GoMobile Innovations mobile website builder platform. I'm just going to go ahead and sign in as me. And the first thing you're going to notice is all of the pages and sites on the left side. And some tutorial videos on the right side. Basically, this is your main landing page. When you land on the site, you're going to see all of your sites listed to the left. You can click the edit icon to edit each site, or you can trash it by clicking the trash icon at any point in time. You'll also notice that the create page area over here, this is where you click to create sites, where you can also upload CSVs for batch page creation. We'll talk about that in a little bit. And you have your page view counter up here at the top. It'll tell you what percentage you have left of your page views and how many you currently have, etc., etc. As you build more sites and accrue more page views, this bar goes up, and we send out notification emails at 50%, 75%, and obviously at 100%. When you're ready to buy more page views, you just go ahead and go right in there, and we'll talk about that in a minute. So let's just, for the sake of example, hop into a current site that we have on here. It's a local coffee shop by the name of Echo Coffee. So all we did was type into the search filter Echo, and it searched through all of our sites, and it found two of them. I'm going to go ahead and edit this one by clicking the edit icon. It's going to take us to our page edit view. Now you're going to notice a very similar layout. You have all of your content containers on the left, which we'll explain in just a second, and all of your tools on the right. I'm going to scroll down here. We have a Android iPhone hybrid emulator here, so you can see what your site's going to look like on a mobile phone. You can scroll up and down on that to get an idea of what it's going to look like at real time. We also have QR code management and page views down there. We have your theme selection box. You can choose all the themes. Every free account comes with 10 free themes. You can buy more themes at the store. We'll talk about that as well. Here's your short URL customization area. Go ahead and type whatever you want in there. They want Echo1 to be their short URL, and it's whatever you type in there, .gomo.io, which is our short URL. If you're interested in getting your own custom short URL, just go ahead and give us a call or shoot us an email at support@gomobileinnovations.com, and we can get you set up with a white label version of the platform. We'll talk about that later. First, basically at the end of the day, what it comes down to, our mobile philosophy is containers. You're going to notice all the containers on the left side. Each contains content. We work with accordion style layouts, so everything is going to be click and drop downable. And you can edit this content by coming over into these containers on the left. You'll notice the first content container up here is the Echo Coffee logo. And then we'll go ahead and click edit here. Pops out this WYSIWYG editor. What you see is what you get. It's pretty powerful. We don't have time to go through all the settings and all the features, but we'll show you a really simple one here. There's an image here. You can go ahead let's say we wanted to change the logo. We could right-click the image and go to Properties. Pops out with another little pop-up. Here we can change the widths to whatever we want. We can constrain the aspect ratio of the image to make sure that it stays the same. We'll change it to 160 pixels wide. And we can click OK. Or if we wanted a new one, we could go to the Upload tab, choose a file, send it to server. I think we're all familiar with that action. Okay, and then I'm going to come under here, and I'm going to add welcome to the coffee shop. And we're going to highlight that text, change it to black, and change the size to something visible like a 24. There we go. Alright, now we want to see those changes made, so we save and publish. And you'll notice in the emulator that everything that we've done has changed. The logo's smaller and the font's smaller. I'm pretty sure we're all familiar with this action. And let's say that we wanted to reorder content. We didn't want the logo at the top. We wanted it below this promotion for fresh roasted coffee. We come up here, drag the logo object below the fresh roasted coffee promotion, save and publish, and it's immediately reflected on the mobile site. So if you directed your phone to echo1.gomo.io, you'd notice that change reflected instantly. I'm going to go ahead and change it back and save. That's basically how the content containers work and the page edit view. There's a lot of really advanced stuff that you can do inside the content edit area. For instance, uploading images. You can actually upload Flash if you really wanted to. We have a table editor. We have an iframe embed, so a lot of, like, for instance, if you wanted to upload or embed a YouTube video or a Facebook like button or a Twitter feed or anything like that, you can copy paste any embed code directly into the content container editor and it'll work. For instance, we can go, if you are a developer and you need some access to the code, you want to edit some HTML raw, you can come in here and click the source button at the top left, and you'll notice that all the HTML is here. So if you really wanted to get in there and change pixel widths and locations of images and things like that with HTML, you absolutely can. Colors, if you're into the hexadecimal colors, go ahead and close that. So that's the page edit view. You probably want to rewind and go through that a couple more times to really get a good grasp of it. If you ever need any help, you can always click on the pages view and watch some of the tutorials, the tutorial videos on the right here. We're going to go directly into themes. We mentioned that very briefly before. I'll open up that Echo Coffee site again, and we'll check out the mobile preview. You'll notice that the theme is very similar to the one on their actual site if you go to echocoffee.com. We'll go ahead and come in here just for sake of example to change the theme to Orange Cream, a different version of the theme. Save and publish, and instantly that new style sheet is applied and all the colors change along with the theme. We have one more example. We'll do Hazy Glass, for example. And you'll notice a completely different look and feel for the site now. Now, you can use our custom built themes, or you can go into our theme editor and edit the themes yourself. So we'll go up here to the top nav bar and click themes. We'll just for this tutorial go into Echo Coffee's theme. I'm going to click edit on that. Now here you can edit the body background color. You can edit the padding on the left and right and top and bottom of the site to give some space between the side of the browser and the actual containers. You can edit the header font styles, sizes, and everything like that here, font colors. You can edit the container options, change the border radiuses of the boxes, change the thickness of the border, change the border color, change the font within the containers, etc. Or if you are a developer or advanced and know your stuff as far as style sheeting is concerned, you can click advanced and actually edit the style sheets directly. There's a lot of things you can do here. For instance, they are adding a text shadow to the title. So if you know code, you can get in here and do it to your heart's content. As of right now, I think that's about it. If you need any help or you need any questions answered, feel free to give us a call or shoot your salesman an email, and I'm sure he'd be glad to hop on a demo with you. Thanks for your time. Hopefully you enjoy making some great mobile websites.